Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial video from Doc 365. In this video, I will show you how to use tags in Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams became highly popular after the COVID outbreak. As employees of all companies all over the world started using Office 365 to boost their productivity, Microsoft responded well with new features and updates. In the last year, Microsoft Teams introduced plenty of new features and options to meet these sudden uh, requirements. Tags is one of these new features offered in Microsoft Teams. As you might already know, Microsoft Teams tags are introduced to make at references and mentions more practical and resourceful. Let's see how to use tags in Microsoft Teams and how to manage them well. For that, you need to log into your Microsoft Teams platform and click on the Teams icon in the left so that all teams or channels in your Teams platform will be listed in the left side. Click on the channel or team you want to create tags for. Click on the more options icon here and choose manage tags. In this window, you will see all tags you have already created. So you can create a new tag by clicking on create tag option. Click on the create tag option, give a new name and add people to this particular tag. We will just give a tag name as project X, and we will add two people into this tag. One is Betty and others, and click on create. So the new tag is created here. Click on that tag. You can always add new people by clicking on the tag and choosing different names here. You can add anyone you want who is in your organization, obviously. And you can also click on chat with group to instantly start chatting with these people included in the assigned to this tag. So now let me show you how to use this tag further. For that, you need to go to your channel or Teams and click on new conversation. I'm actually going to start a new conversation with people who are associated with that particular tag. So you can just mention them by clicking entering the at mention and typing the here it is. Here's the tag. So by entering this tag in the chat or message, you can actually send a notification or instantly notify them about any of your chat or any message you post in the channel or team. You can enter the message here and just enter as a normal post. This is how you can use tags in the conversations in your channel, and you can also start a new chat using this tag. For that, you need to click on the create new chat option, and in the to section just enter at mention @project X. So those people will be added to the chat, and you can move forward by choosing or entering a new chat. So that's how tags work in Microsoft Teams. One another thing you can configure to make the most of the tags option in Microsoft Teams is to decide who can manage tags in your team or channel. For that, you can click on the more options icon straight to your team and choose Manage Team. And go to the Settings tab. There you can see that there's an option or section for tags here. Click on tags. And as you can see, as of now, the tags are managed by the team owners. So if you want to change it to or allow your members of your team to manage tags, choose team owners and members. So now your team members or the members in this particular team can also create and edit tags in this team. So that's how you can manage tags and make the most of it in this platform. Hope this tutorial video helps you to understand tags better and make the most of it. We will come with an all new video next week. Have a good day.